What are some of the ways that people unintentionally incriminate themselves? Attorney Randy Berman explains, the most blatant example I have encountered is recently I had a client who was sitting at a beach after hours and it was closed. He wasn't doing anything on the beach, just sitting there. A ranger came up to him and asked him what he was doing there, and he said, "I'm sorry, the marijuana is in my bag." The officer had no probable cause to search him, and had he searched him and found the marijuana without any permission, it would have been thrown out as an unlawful search. But when you volunteer crimes you might have committed or are committing, the officers don't have to turn their heads away. They don't have to close their eyes or plug their ears. That's the blatant example of making a huge mistake. In essence, he wrote his own indictment for the prosecution by falling apart when he was merely asked, "What are you doing here?" Any response would have been better than his response, such as, "I'm just sitting here watching the tide," which would have been followed by the officer saying, "Well, you know it's after hours, the beach is closed and you have to leave." He could have said, "Okay, officer, thank you very much, I'll leave." It would be a different circumstance if you were sitting on the beach smoking a marijuana joint in plain view and the officer came up and discovered you in the act. For more information and a free phone consultation, contact attorney Randy Berman at 561-537-3877 or visit him on the web at randybermanlaw.com.